This is hands down one of the nicest Beamers I think I've seen.
Tell me this isn't epic.
Look how happy this guy is.
This is Danny's Fab Subaru. Check this thing out. We've made it out, and we've got a bunch of us here. We cruised down, as you guys saw. It's very windy out, so if you don't hear me, you know why, but good turnout. Street Legacy gang. We are lined up. We are here for CSCS. Some really dope cars here, like goddamn, look at that thing there. That camber there is insane. A lot of dope cars. We are not part of the show or shine or anything, which is our own little spot over here, but absolutely dope. No pressure, Jeff. No pressure, Josh.
Good job, Josh.
Yeah, there you guys go. So what's your predictions? I missed it. Do it again. It's going in.
What are my predictions for what?
Today.
Yeah, it's gonna go smooth. It's gonna be a great day. It's nice weather. We're here with the Lowpes gang. Like, Street Legacy, bro.
Street Legacy gang. This is hands down one of the nicest Beamers I think I've seen. One of the nicest Beamers I think I've seen. Look at that fitment. Fender to lip. God damn, this guy puts it down. This is freaking, god damn. That fitment is literally like perfect. On Workmeisters. This thing is freaking nice. God damn, I love it. God, look at this guy. So, it looks like it's gonna piss rain. Camera's gonna go back in the car for now. And then I'll grab you guys once it stops. It's still pretty crazy to see all these people rocking my Street Legacy brand. I think it's absolutely wild. Look how many. Goddamn. I appreciate every single one of you guys for rocking and supporting the brand. You guys are true OGs. I love you guys a long time. Who are you making fun of?
Joshua. You know what I said to him yesterday?
You know what you said to me? You said I'm fat. My neck's fat.
Is it true?
It is. It's because the camera adds weight.
Is that what it is? So I'm kind of like 140 right now, yeah?
But the camera adds ugly to you.
Felt this good. It's been so long, been a minute. Just wanna say what's good. Take off my hood, showing off my little image. Been on a marathon from the day I was born, from start to the finish. Until it's 12 at dawn, I'ma cool and guan, I'ma show off my vision. Oh my gosh, man, what am I missing? These niggas on the couch just chillin'. Them good days are far gone, thin line, no foundry, you let the villain. Pop new tags on my linen. New whip that nobody driven. Now you see I'm good, didn't know I could, now look I'm living. But I ain't really down with the gimmicks. This life a game, it's a scrimmage. I'm so fresh and clean, no mistake. Clean money mad, then I'm winning.
is Fab Subaru. He is racing out here for Fab Subaru. We still have to do a bit of a review on this car, but not today. He's actually competing. This thing is so nice. A lot of work done to it. I know all my Subaru fans are gonna like this. We definitely have to do a full review on this. See that gear peak in there? Super sick. I absolutely love these years, man. I'm a big fan of like 02 to 07 Subarus. Obviously the Hawkeyes are super nice. Ooh, one day. This thing is sick. This thing's freaking dope. I really like this color. This thing absolutely looks so freaking dope, dude. So dope. That is the most insane wheel I think I've ever seen in my life. God damn. This is a wild car, no? Wild car, sir.
Thanks.
You've done a really good job with this.
It wasn't all me, that's for sure.
Is it still hybrid?
Yep.
I wonder if it's still hybrid. You guys think so?
Hybrid?
Yeah. It charges.
Pretty quick.
Crazy.
Actually, the regen on it would be wild. Pretty much, or adapted from another car and made adapted.
You know what I like about this? You don't see it often. It's something different.
Yeah, that's it.
Check this thing out. Mr. Kevin CRX is wild. B-Series boosted. Super clean.
Front-facing turbo on this. Crazy.
This is Kevin's CRX. Hey, how much power are you pushing out? You telling people or just low key?
Right now it's only 505.
505, but this shell is so light that, you know what I mean? It's, dude, it's wild car. It's, how insanely clean this is insane. Like, blows my mind. Blows my mind how clean this car is. God damn. Hey, Santi, this is a 7 pass. I'm telling you, eh?
Right?
7 seconds.
7.9.
I have faith. I'm telling you, watch. What do you think, 7-second pass from Santi?
I'm thinking like 7.96, or I'm hoping.
As long as it's 7 seconds, that's all that counts, right? Joshua?
8.03.
803, eh?
Honestly, Josh.
Jeff?
7.97.
What time is he gonna get?
I'd say 8 flat.
8 flat.
8 flat. I'd say 8
we got some guesses. Talk to me about the Altima. Let's go.
It's a 5-year project of depression, pain, and agony.
This guy's a project.
But I made it work. That's the key.
Yeah.
Tracked for the last 3.5 years. Never has left me stranded. 260,000 clicks.
Damn.
When I had 130. So full bolts on. Suspension is fully done up. No rubber bushings in this thing. It's either Delrin or spherical.
God damn.
Yeah. 2-row intercooler, 4-inch intake.
I was gonna say that's absolutely huge.
Yeah. 286 wheel.
286 wheels impressive.
Yeah.
You know what I
Pretty
mean?
good.
That is impressive.
Yeah, I got a 3rd-gen VQ in the works right now at home.
Oh my God, is that a 350?
No, G35 actually.
G35, that's sick. Front wheel drive?
Sedan.
Sedan.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Oh yeah, right. So I got a big brake kit from
Nice.
the 370Z, Akabono with the 2-piece rotor up front.
Excuse me. Thanks.
The adapter plate that I had to use to bolt up the brake, I actually fabricated that myself.
Good for you, dude.
Yeah.
That is
So,
awesome.
Yeah, so everything works. Stainless steel lines. Transmission's from a 04 Maxima. Has a helical limited slip differential in it.
Damn.
Because the Altima platform never came with one as an option. It only came
Two-piece rotors.
on the Maximas as a winter package.
Dude,
Yeah.
you killed this, man.
Yeah, thanks.
You don't see it very often. That's what I like.
Yeah.
I remember
different.
I remember I saw you before at the shop, and then Kyle talks about you every once in a while too.
Yep.
This thing is sick, dude. And the thing is, you would never know. It's like sleeper-ish.
Yeah.
Until you see two-piece rotors.
Right.
And then you're like, okay, something's up.
And even then, it's just like, whatever. And then once I go out on the track with this, a lot of people are mind blown by how fast this thing is. So, yeah.
What's the weight on one of these?
So it's about 3,500 pounds.
Okay.
So
average.
for a mid-sized sedan, it's pretty light.
Yeah.
One thing I forgot to mention is I do have a custom speaker setup inside the vehicle.
Nice.
So JL Audio C5 components up front, C3s in the rear doors, and then C2s 6x9s in the back. And I do run a 10-inch JLW7 sub in the back. Obviously, I don't have it right now because I was on the track.
Yeah, are you competing today too?
No, so I only did open lapping. It was just to get my feet wet once again this year. I kept this vehicle off insurance all year because I had the intentions of getting the motor swap done, but I kept putting it off just because I've been enjoying the 370Z that I have back at home. So, yeah, but this week coming up, I'm going to start putting it under the knife, tear this thing apart, and then after that, it's a matter of swapping out various parts off this vehicle, the accessories, the oil pan mainly, and then start swapping in the new engine.
That's
so,
awesome.
Yeah, I got some goodies that I plan to put on for the 3rd gen.
Nice.
One of them is the Holley EFI intake. Somebody in the States, Niz Formants, they created an adapter for us to run that intake. So I'm very curious to see how that's going to perform.
Yeah, see if you get a lot more gains out of that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Are you like what is it net roughly?
So if you just do a regular full bolt-on on a 3rd gen, you'll net somewhere between 300 to 310 wheel.
Dude, that's solid.
Yeah,
that's solid.
This right now, the way I'm set up, I'm revving to about 7,000 RPM.
Yeah.
I plan to bring that rev limiter up to 7,500.
Wow.
Yeah, that should help me out at DDT. I've gone fast enough where I do have to shift into 4th gear from time to time. That extra 500 RPM should help me just stay in 3rd and focus on 4.
Exactly.
Yeah, so that should definitely make me more competitive.
That's awesome, dude. Hopefully we get to see you on the track one of these days.
Yeah, absolutely.
And thank you for sharing it. You don't see this often, and then when you do, and you go to this extent, I think people are going to appreciate it.
And that's why I want to stick to this platform, because you do see a lot of Civics out there. You see a lot of SCIs, WRXs, etc., Evos. But I've managed to track on the cheap with this, reliably, most importantly. And I've yet to see an Altima on the track, apart from one other guy that I know in the States that has done it competitively. As far as I'm aware, I'm the only one here in Canada with this.
So it's the only one I think I've seen personally.
Yeah.
So good for you. Thanks, man. Hopefully maybe one day we'll do an in-car.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Are those from Evos?
Yeah. And then I put the 4-point harness in myself.
I freaking love these seats.
The bolsters definitely hold me in nicely, but when I hit those 14-inch rotors, or at least when I hit the brakes on them, they toss me forward and side to side still. So,
but it's great with the belt they help though. No?
Oh, absolutely. I don't have to focus on holding myself on the door card or anything like that.
This is absolutely awesome. Thanks again for sharing it.
Yeah, man,
One hell of a day today. I don't know how much footage I got. It's been raining, non-raining. We are heading out.
For 43 kilometers, continue straight on.
Do you guys like my Pokemon bug catcher hat? Today was freaking dope, man. What a good day. These days are honestly the hardest days kind of to vlog because of how many people I'm talking to and stuff like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video up until now. Try to get honestly really inspired me to one day get a drift car. I don't know when, but one day I think I will. Honestly, it's pretty freaking cool to see all these people rolling out with like Street Legacy banners and decals and stuff, and it's crazy to see that people actually enjoy my brand, and yeah, really surreal feeling. You know, imagine working really hard, making a brand, and now it's starting to like get traction. It's a really good feeling. I just want to say thank you to every single one of you who support in any way, and if that's just like watching and liking and commenting, subscribing, that's huge. That even if you were to buy something small and support the channel, that is super cool too. I just want to say thank you so much for like to all you guys. Like today really hit home seeing all these people rocking the Street Legacy stuff, and yeah, super sick. Looks safe to me. Looks good to me. Thanks for strapping that down. Looks absolutely sick. I can't believe this guy's passing people. Legit passing people with all this shit. Barely, like, no straps or anything. He's passing people like we're going slow. I gotta get in front of this guy just in case something comes off. That thing is so sick. Made it home right before the thunderstorm. Just want to say once again, thank you for everyone coming out and supporting people who are rocking the Street Legacy stuff. So freaking dope. Thank you. Big thank you. Good times. I absolutely love the car community at times. Sometimes I hate it, but these times where we all come together to share one passion is absolutely awesome. I want to say thank you to everybody. I've probably said it a million times now, but like I'm just like bewildered just seeing all these people who rock my stuff, and yeah, super cool. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys do want to support the channel, www.streetlegacy.ca. Even if it's as small as a decal, it goes a long way. Thank you so much. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Like, comment, subscribe, and later.